Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today I'm going to try my new house hippo and I'm going to go ahead and try to marble. I haven't done that yet, so we'll see what happens. I'm using my white pigment paste and stir it up. Looks like I'm almost out of it. And we'll get this on here. There we go. Okay, I'm going to stir this up. Hopefully it's going to be white enough. This is my Teexpert resin. I've been letting it sit here and get bubble free, and now I'm putting all kinds of bubbles back into it. And I'm going to try to marble my hippo. Stir it up real good. This pigment paste always doesn't like to stir in that good. You should not stir it as fast as I am because all you're doing is putting bubbles into it. Let me put this up before I knock it off. I've already had major incidents happen earlier today. Won't talk about it, but anyway. Okay, I've got the purple alcohol ink. We shake it up real good. Okay. And we're just going to drop a few drops in here. I'm going to give it a quick little stir. And we're going to pour. And hopefully I'll get the purple marbling going. And I don't have enough. Of course not. I'm going to scrape the sides. See if that helps. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So what I can do is I have some blocks that I have been putting aside that I've been making with my little bit of extra stuff. And since this is white, we can throw some of them in there. We'll see how it works. This is just like a filler, is all this is going to be. This is the reason I make these blocks, is so that when I need them, I can just pop them in the resin and sink it. And that looks like that's enough, maybe a block or two. All it is just resin extras out of this little mold right here, where I take my mixer and put it on here every time. Put a few more in. Not a lot more, just a few. This way I don't have to mix anymore. And you're never going to see them. Okay, let that cure, and I will be back and we will unmold it when it's done. See you then. Hi everybody, welcome. I'm at my husband's baseball game for his at my husband's softball game. He's pitching for his work, and they are doing such a good job. I'll put in some film to show you, but I met a friend. Her name is Nadine, and she is actually on one of the other teams. Say
We're
hi.
enemies, but we're not really because
We're not enemies.
it's bigger than that.
It is. It's a game. It's a family. It's through my husband's work.
And I've been given a job, and that's why I turned my hat around, so I am taken seriously.
You're fine. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll keep you updated. I'll let you know if they won. Hey everybody, it's demolding day. Let's go ahead and get this house hippo out of its mold. See how it turned out on the... Oh, well, I was wrong. All those little blocks did come down and I did see them. So that's okay, but the molding turned out, the marbling turned out really good. So what we can do is I've got some things that I can put on him to make him not look so blocky.
Josh.
That was quick. All right, I've got some bows. Let's see what kind of bow we need to put on him. Color. Oh, that's pretty. And we got some flowers and some butterflies. We could put a bunch of butterflies on his back. I'll put a bunch of butterflies all around him. That's what I'll do after I put the bow on him. Or should I say her? Okay. Put these bows back in here now that I picked out one. I've got flowers, got bows, got... See, we can figure this out. Put a bow on top of his head. Let me get my glue. And I'm going to get a little something to put it on. Put it on the back of this. Come on, there you go. This will just make it easier to put them on there. I'm going to get me a micro brush with the thing taken off so I can put a little bit on each thing. Come on, Bo. Get right there where I need you. Butterfly. This little guy's going to be covered in butterflies. Hopefully it'll stay. Come on, stay. Well, we'll put some flowers on her back too. Some white flowers. This is just my E7000 glue. Let's see. Yeah, the white flowers will have to do. She's my little house hippo anyway. I'm going to keep her for me. I don't know if you can see the blocks. I should know better, but you know, it was an experiment that I wanted to try to see if it would actually work. So now I know that you can't use them unless you are putting mica, you know, painting the mold. Now, if I painted the mold, that would have worked just fine. But I didn't paint the mold, so I just poured it in. I love these little butterflies. They are so cute. Like I said, she's going to be covered in all kinds of stuff. And that's okay. Now let's get this side. Got a pearl on my finger. Might as well put that on there since it's on me. If it want to come off my finger. There we go. And one more, just to make it look good, if I have enough glue. There she is. I'm going to let those dry. And I'm going to paint her eyes somehow. Let's see. I'm going to use my purple steel to paint her eyes. Oh, and I might want to paint her toenails too. Let me get out another color. Cobalt blue for her toes. Let's paint her toes. And she is all nice and pretty. Look at how pretty those are. I like this hippo. It's adorable. She's adorable. Looks a lot better than my other hippo I had. I've never been good at painting toenails. She is now going to be my house hippo. There we go. I will get some pictures. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now. Hi. So what was the score?
12-1.
And we had one, right?
We had one.
We had 12. Okay.
Which I'm a little bit sad about because we're friends now. But there's still, but you know, there's joy. There's joy to be had in the win. And nobody got hurt.
Exactly.
And everybody had fun. And I know a bunch of new names.
Exactly. Well, good luck on your next game.
You too. We're not going to be playing.
I don't know if we're playing again.
I'll find you. You got on a bright color, so you're easy.
So, yeah, you know where I'm at. Thank you.
Of course.